Is there a way to view private Instagram accounts? Setting aside the ethical considerations and also disregarding the fact that many users deliberately set their accounts to private in order to generate more interest, utilizing the psychological principle of scarcity? The answer is yes, there is a way. You can anonymously browse private Insta profiles using the Peak Viewer app. This app is paid, but for people who want to stay up to date with content, it may be a worthwhile investment to consider. Peak Viewer is characterized by its ease of use, requires no installation, and ensures safe usage. You don't even have to log into your Instagram account to view private Instagram profiles. Click the link below to learn more.